All right, guys, we got another big winner here for the check payout. That's what I do. I give people money. I give paychecks out to people, big fat paychecks. I have the lovely Angelina here. You saw her video from earlier in the year with that big fatty. Here's another big fat paycheck right here. 13,000. A little light for you on this one, huh? A little light. 13.
Yeah.
When is it going to be? When is it going to be 25?
25,000,
huh?
January.
25,000.
Soon,
Yeah,
guys.
So
stay tuned.
So Angelina is a top producer here. This is one of her paychecks here. She's got another one rolling out right after this for another 12, 13K. So I'm gonna be happy to give this to you.
Thank you so much.
So, can you hold it? It's so big. Can you hold it? Do you want to actually have the cash money in your hand, or would you rather have the check?
I like the cash money.
Yeah, because we can give you the 13,000 in cash and just dump it right here for you.
Yeah, it's the same. I'll take it to the bank and cash it.
Okay, guys, why do we do these videos? Because we want you guys to show you that anyone out there can become a top producer and make a ton of money with real estate. With the platform I built, Real Estate University, that's what we do, guys. We show people how to become top producers, how to get rich with real estate in this industry, in this game, where the mortality rate is at the highest level. 90% for most loan officers, most realtors. Our people are making money. They're stacking paper. They're helping people, doing good by society, getting rich along the way. That's what it's all about with Angelo Christian Mortgage and Real Estate University. So talk to us about this, because I want to know, what are your goals for 2019? What are you going to be doing with all this money?
Well, part of my goals for 2019 are, of course, to triple my income, and with this check here, I'm definitely on track for that. So each month, I'm definitely trying to double, if not triple, my earnings.
Don't ever get satisfied.
That's right.
Be happy. You go out to eat, have a good time. I know that you're on the seafood thing, the seafood diet.
That's right.
Bodybuilding. You're big into bodybuilding and taking care. I think you have a goal to compete. And what, in July?
In July, yeah.
So she's also a competition and bodybuilding, really big into that. Healthy eating, healthy living. So double, triple your income. Yeah, you got to do that. So I agree with you that don't be happy with this number. I keep telling her we got to get that number up a lot higher, and push that income a lot higher. So
yeah, definitely. And then another one of my goals, of course, is to buy a new the 2019 Mercedes G-Wagon.
Yeah.
So,
all right. Yeah.
Definitely want to.
Well, I know that's a nice one. Yeah. So really, with what you want, the red interior?
Yeah, the red and black interior.
Okay, yeah, just like mine. So yeah, you need money for that.
Right.
You need money for that. So, but the whole thing is it's a transformation, a shift in the mind, right? Like one of the things that you went through a big transformation financially, physically. It's a whole shift the way you look at everything, right?
Yes.
You used to be a meat eater. Now you're in seafood. You stop eating meat, so you can change. So that's the biggest thing I want people to know out there. It doesn't matter where you are. The message out there is you can change. So talk about that. All the changes that you've had a huge metamorphosis in the last year. So to let people know that it doesn't matter where they are. Tell them some of the stuff that you've changed, what you've gone through.
Yeah, so definitely in the last year, I've transitioned. Not just my mental awareness and knowledge in the industry, but also through my transformation physically with healthy eating. So like you mentioned, I've cut the beef out of my diet completely and transitioned to seafood, which I would never touch before in my life.
Yeah.
And now I go out and I prefer eating and ordering fish. And so definitely that is a big step for me. And then transitioning my body all through training in the gym and hiring a personal trainer.
And she's awesome, by the way.
Yeah,
so.
I love her. She's definitely great. One of the top trainers in Houston, Texas. And so then also just really tackling my sales approach on the phone. I'm constantly on the phone with clients, and at least 4 or 5 hours a day, back to back, making calls,
closing, making deals, making money.
With
So so the thing is that if you change your life, and that's what our company. So the whole essence with our company, guys, is helping people become the highest version that they can be. Right? Limitless. What I always talk about is limitless potential. We all have limitless potential, and I want to help everyone out there, just like I did with Angelina, just like you saw with JC, to unleash that, to tap into it and pull it out, because it's there. All of us have this higher version, this upgraded version, and you can get there. Okay, your past doesn't equal your future. Don't you see that in a car? The rear view mirror is so small, but the windshield is this big, huge thing. That's how you have to live your life going forward. I always talk about there's two types of people in the world. There's people that get everything they want, and there's everybody else. You need to be the person that gets everything they want out of life. All right, and don't settle. Stop hoping and start expecting. Stop hoping for stuff to happen and expect it to happen. Expect for this to happen. Expect to make a lot of money. Expect to get rich. All right, you need to. You need that in your life. You need to make a lot of money. All right, so you can have a great, abundant life. All of us deserve. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
To have an opulence, abundance, a great life.
Yeah, it definitely makes a difference not having to worry or stress about how I'm going to put food on the table or put gas in my car every month.
You don't need to be why. This is America.
Yeah, the opportunity is definitely here. I'm a case study, shown proven in fact for the last year. So, it's possible for anybody.
Yeah, so
proper dedication.
Absolutely. But one thing we want to also don't discount. You're an extremely hard worker.
Yes.
She's dedicated. She's passionate. She works her butt off. It's not messing around. This isn't a get-rich-quick thing. It's not some BS thing or some clickbait or some digital thing online, some fake thing. This is a real thing, helping people transform lives, helping customers buy homes, refinance, boost up their credit, whatever it takes to make it happen. Mm-hmm. And you deserve this. But let me tell you something right now. This needs to be like the lowest pay that you get. You need to put that expectation. I'm telling you, you need to get to the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Right. This is the very beginning. So okay. So guys, sign up for Real Estate University. If you're looking to buy a house, call us at 281-817-HOME. Send me your resume if you're looking to make a transformation, a change with your career. If you're tired of being broke, you're not happy with where you're at, maybe your bank, you're not making enough money with where you are, sign up for Angelo Christian Mortgage. I'll double, triple your income. Whatever you need, guys, sign up for Real Estate University. Check us out. Take care. Max out. Make the most of yourself. Bye-bye.